What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. And this property right here is a property that I helped one of my clients find. And you can see upstairs they're starting to do some work on it. He actually lives in San Antonio, and San Antonio is an interesting market because the 1% rule wasn't being met. And the 1% rule is basically if monthly rents don't equate to at least 1% of the price, then the deal likely won't make sense in terms of a cash flowing multifamily investment. And so he had to find property in another market. So I introduced him to the New Orleans market, and I found this deal for him, and it has I think it's a 12% cash on cash return. What's beautiful about this property is that it has didn't need major work. The work is being done right now, and then there's an actual extra unit in the back that if he puts about $20,000 into, he can actually start renting that for about $600 a month. And so that's actually going to take his cash on cash return upwards of 20%. So if you have money that's sitting like a bank account somewhere, a savings account, 401k, etc., that's only earning you anywhere in a bank account, savings account, 0.03% interest, which will take you 2,400 years to double your money, or it's in a 401k or IRA, and you have absolutely no control over that portfolio, then you may want to consider investing somewhere else. You may live in a market where there aren't a lot of multifamily homes, or the 1% rule isn't being met, and so that doesn't have to stop you from being a real estate investor. You're just going to have to find a different market to invest in. I bought my first property in Brooklyn, New York, and I leveraged the FHA loan, 3.5% down, but with prices being $1 million in New York, in order to buy my second property with 20 to 25% down, I was going to have to save about $250,000. So I knew that if I wanted to be a real estate investor, that I couldn't do it in New York, and so I found a different market, and that's what actually brought me here to New Orleans. Some of us are attached to markets that are going to keep us poor and impoverished forever, and so why are you so attached to a certain market? All right, so if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com, multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals like this one. As I'm upgrading my portfolio, I would have done this deal, but I'm upgrading my portfolio to fourplexes and moving into apartment complexes. But for a beginning investor, a double like this that can be converted to a triplex is the type of deal you want to start with, and it may not be available in your market, so you got to come to a market like New Orleans. So if you want help finding deals like this, I can help you. So again, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. All right, much love, y'all. Peace.